Hello everyone, this is Alex Liu from Polylink Company. Today we come to visit one of the largest WPC products company. The name is Jufeng. We will visit and learn from the beginning to the end how to make the WPC products. Thank you. Okay, here we can see the special material. This is for the cold extrusion. The material, they already make the compounding from another company. Here is just the stock. Here we can see this is the extrusion machine. It's a conical twin screw extruder. We are making almost the final products here. Also, you can see since they have a lot of machine, so they make the integrated the dusting system. All the material will be in one big solo and will be transported to here. As a big company, you will meet the customer requirements. So you can see here it's a lot of different toolings, or we call it as modes, to make a different style and different design of the final products. For big company, you also need this store. Okay, here we can see this is the sounding machine to make the surface of the WPC products. Here we can see this is just from the extrusion machine. So the smooth, the surface is smooth. Yeah, it's shiny. Yes, it's not like a wood. But after the sounding machine here, we get the products here. It's like sounding. It's not like a very shining surface. Okay, there is another very important step in the production is make the compounding material before make the final WPC profile. But that workshop we cannot go there today. So we will show you some video about how to make the pellets of the WPC products. Later, we will interview the manager of this factory. Here, I introduce you about the manager of this factory, Mr. Dong. 董总你好。
你好，你好，哎，刘总。
我们今年的话，业务怎么样？
今年开始初期呢是受点疫情影响，但全年来看呢，我们比去年相比增长20%左右啊，全年应该在2万吨以上，销售额呢应该1个多亿啊。
我们今年就是我们的这些产品主要是销往哪些国家？
主要以欧洲为主啊，现在还有一些澳洲啊，包括美国啊、东南亚都有。大概我们总共销售的应该有50几个国家和地区吧，啊，大概就这样。
好，谢谢。好，那okay everyone, so we just finishing the interview of today. Thank you.